The amount of time that a mammal species typically spends lactating after birth can vary. And in humans, the United Nations recommends breastfeeding for 6 months at least following birth, and breastfeeding can continue several years. Once it ceases, and the suckling stimulus, which is both mechanical and hormonal, given that oxytocin is released during lactation, the breast then changes in a process known as involution, and it returns to a state very similar to that it was in prior to pregnancy, perhaps a bit more advanced with a few more alveoli. But there is a reduction in the size of the breast and the number of epithelial cells, with the myoepithelial cells undergoing the greatest reduction. At first, these reductions are reversible, but soon afterwards they become permanent, and breast will no longer be able to produce milk until a subsequent pregnancy when hormones stimulate the mammary cells once again. Proteins are broken down in the extracellular matrix by a number of enzymes, by plasminogen, which is activated into plasmin, and by the matrix metalloproteinases, or MMPs. The cells are signaled to destroy themselves. This is known as programmed cell death, or apoptosis, by a number of signals which are pro-apoptotic, such as serotonin, LTF, interleukin 6, the transforming growth factor, and lactalbumin. It is not understood why some cells die and others remain, but it is thought that the stem cells are thus important in renewing the populations of epithelial cells for future mammary development.